Hey there, it's Karen here, and I have my latest FabFitFun box. So let's have an open see on what we have. Yes, I already kind of opened it and took away half the packaging because it is crazy how much packaging comes in them. But let's go ahead and have a peek. Very festive, very festive. So, let's see if the box will cooperate. So very first of all, we have this, which is the Swell Salad Bowl Kit. This is really cool because it has separate containers, including a separate salad dressing container. These are absolutely fantastic. So I'm really excited, especially the pink. They got me with the pink. You know I love me my pink. I got the Fenty Skin Cookies and Cream Face Mask. I'm gonna love some of that. Self-care is always important. Did not do your self-care, you need to. Got a HelloFresh kit again. Let's see, this one surprised me. So this is it's going viral right now. This is the Hourglass Contour Stick and Blush Stick. And I have seen these everywhere. These are like $70 just for this. And I was super excited to get this in this kit. Also, this is their Christmas bauble. It's look, it is all these little fun things in there. It's like super cute. See, here you go, the Hourglass Vanish. And it's a blush, it's not contour, sorry, blush. Then I got this really cute crystal bracelet. This is by Etika. Gold plated adjustable Christmas crystal bracelet, super cute. And then finally, in the box itself, we've got the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gel. So that's going to be fun. Not only that, but this is the thing. I love this stuff because I love all the surprises. Also got, it was an add-on, but we've got some brushes, which I'm always going to do brushes. I have a brush problem. If you do not know me, I am a brush addict. So that's it. And then I also got some new rose gold earrings, which were a bit of an add-on. I could not wait for it. So what do you think? What do you think of this FabFitFun? I do believe I have a couple of boxes that I can give away if you want to just pay shipping, but you can have had FabFitFun before. I only have a couple. So if you drop your name down below, I'll put them in a randomizer and we'll pick someone out. And what do you think? Do you think I got a good deal for my FabFitFun this time? I kind of like it. I kind of love it. Just saying. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you next time. Bye-bye.